Good morning, everyone. My name is David Westorp from RDANA Technology. I'm here with my business partner, Otto Krauth. We're very honored to be here today to show you our revolutionary and innovative new software named Saint that can save lives, protect people from injury, and protect property and the environment when emergency events like earthquakes or tsunamis or industrial accidents take place. The seed for the idea behind our software came as a result of the 2010 Haiti earthquake. This was a terrible event. 316,000 people were killed. 300,000 people more were injured. Over 1 million people were left homeless. What was even more frustrating is when we found out that there was so much loss after the initial earthquake because it took emergency responders 48 hours or more to actually figure out how they could best help the survivors. We heard this and we were on a mission. We were going to create some technology to shorten this time. So Otto and the team went to work. Otto made sure that our software, number one, had an interactive map as a base. Then we made sure that we could pull in all types of applications from smartphones, from tablets, that we could use sensor information from equipment, weather information, that we could even use emails, text messages, and source social media, and bring all that information together in one place. We're very pleased to report that the results of our efforts have taken this original 48 hours that it took to do DANA, damage assessment, needs assessment, and brought it down to 20 minutes. And now we're going to show you how our technology does it. So what we're going to replay for you today is a mock event of an emergency exercise involving a train derailment at an oil refinery. And what we have here is at 10 o'clock, the very first event happened, and that is, as you can see, it's a train derailment. Hazardous materials on the train and a HAZ unit might be required. That immediately triggers the emergency response plan from inside of the plant. And now, as we advance another 11 minutes, you'll see that the employees are checking in as part of that plan. The blue indicates that everything's okay, there's no damage. But red, that indicates that there is damage, so emergency responders need to pay close attention to that. So right now they know where to focus their attention. If we advance about another 11 minutes, what we're going to see is that this is now spread out to the community. Okay, there's fire, people are tweeting about smoke, which people now do when there's emergency events. Social media is becoming huge for this. The other thing that's happening, someone sent a picture in from an email, and the Coast Guard has even got into the act here, and they took a picture out from their boat and they've sent it into the command center too. So now all of a sudden the emergency responders, they know there's fire, there's smoke, it's impacting. Wouldn't it be great if we knew which way the weather was going, which way the wind was blowing? We can check that out with our weather station right here. There's a weather station at the end of the pier. We bring that information in. Now we know a whole bunch of information that can really help. What we're doing now is we're drawing a polygon of the area that may be affected by this because, of course, the tweets are coming in. We can immediately go through this information, and this is a filter. All of this information that we have here is gathered by the oil and gas companies already. They have to do it as part of government regulations. But it doesn't sit anywhere that's interactive and dynamic. That's what we do. We take that static information and we make it useful in times of need. So now we can tell you exactly how many people are impacted. 19,914 people live in there. We know the men, women, and children. We can tell you where the apartments are. We can tell you where the schools are. And we can even show you where all the houses are. So now, this is an emergency evacuation situation. Things need to be done. We need to pull people together and resources. What are we going to do? We push a button and we build a web page. We put it all in one place and we can upload it onto the internet. So people on the ground, emergency responders involved in the evacuation, and any other stakeholders, regulators that need to know about this, they can all access it. And there it is. And that is how our technology can save lives, prevent injuries to people, and protect property and the environment. Thank you very much. We invite you to come by our booth and to learn a little bit more about us and talk to us. And one more thing, we want to make our cities and municipalities safer for everyone. So our ask from the audience today is, could you please give us a recommendation and a referral to the leader in the community where you and your family live. Thank you very much.